Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week color. So as usual, I'm going to start off with applying a base coat. This one is by Essence. You've seen me use it for a couple of months now and I actually really like it. I think it is like €2 or something like that. It's really inexpensive and it actually really helps my manicure like stay on for a longer period of time, prevents chipping and all that jazz. So yeah, I actually really like this one. I do have to mention that this video has been pre-recorded. I think it was like the second week of October or something. At least I recorded this right before we went on our Asia trip, which was like halfway through October, way throughout halfway November. So yeah, I still had like the footage on my computer and yeah, I just really wanted to share this nail polish of the week video, even though it is pre-recorded a couple of months ago and it is a nail polish from a limited edition, but I just really love the color and you know, it's been a while since I did a nail polish of the week video. Especially one which is a little bit longer. This one will be like 12 minutes or something like that. And usually in nail polish of the week videos I only do one hand. I usually only paint my left hand because like on a daily basis I wear gel polishes on my right hand. I still get questions why I do so. It is just something that's really like handy to me because I want to share designs with gel polishes as well as designs and tutorials and so on with regular nail polishes. But my right hand didn't have any gel polishes on there at the moment. As I said, this was just like a couple of days before we went on our 4-week Asia trip. So I was actually still debating on what to wear as a gel polish on my nails for those weeks. So yeah, it was like the best time to do a longer nail polish of the week video again with just one color that I'm going to apply to my nails. So this color is from the Essence Spice It Up limited edition. I think I bought it in the first week of October and this one is called Oh One Sweet Like Berries. You guys know me, I love like my dusty, rosy, pinkish kind of colors. This one did turn out to be a little bit more darker than I expected. In the bottle I felt like it would have been a little bit more rosy, but it turned out a little bit darker on the nails, but that's totally fine with me. It was like the middle of fall when I recorded this and it is still winter, so I think you can actually still wear colors like this at the moment if you're really like seasonally bound with what colors you wear on your nails. Personally, I wear any color anytime because I feel like if you want to wear a specific color and it's not like super wintry or summery or anything, you should just wear it because it are your nails and you should do what makes you happy. So yeah, just a little side note on that. But I think it's still a really lovely color to wear this time of year, even though it is 2020, it's January already. Like time is going by so fast. But I thought it would be nice to actually share a little bit of like an elongated nail polish of the week video in which I do both of my hands. I rarely do so because I of course use gel polishes on my right hand, and I have to mention it did take me a little while to actually get the hang of it by using regular nail polishes on my right hand again, because gel polishes, even though it is polish either way, regular nail polishes do apply a little bit different than gel polishes. Usually gel polishes are a little bit more thick, they're a little bit more self-leveling, especially the Madam Glam gel polishes that I love wearing. Like I got to know that brand last year and ever since I tried them, I'm addicted. I really love that brand. But let's not ramble too much about gel polishes because my nail polish of the week videos are all about nail polishes. This is just a lovely, kind of like a brownish rose kind of color. I think it's really lovely, and I also think that this is one of those colors that will suit a lot of different skin tones as well. I'm usually like more on the cool side, like a cooler undertone skin. As you can see, my veins are really bluish. That's actually a sign that you are more of like a cool undertoned kind of guy or girl. I've always been really pale, like it doesn't matter, like the middle of summer, I'm pale. I'm almost like glow in the dark in winter. That's how pale I can get. Especially my legs. Like my legs don't see sunlight, and if I even get in the sun, it's like they're glow in the dark. It's insane. Sometimes it might come across on camera like I'm even a little bit tan. Usually that is when I wear neon colors or pastel kind of colors on my nails. Those specific colors seem to make me look more tan than I am, but in real life I'm really, really pale. I'm really a fall girl. I do love super warm tones like this specific nail polish color, but that doesn't mean that I am like super easily tanned or anything like that. I usually just burn when I get in the sun, or I have to go like for short periods of time, and then I will get a little bit of more color to my skin. But even when I was in Dubai and Thailand during my Asia trip, I didn't tan at all. Like, at all. I don't even have any tan lines, even though I've been swimming in the sun and all of that. I've been out so much during those 4 weeks. I'm not tanned at all. Like, I don't even know how that's possible, because when I look at my parents, they both tan so quickly. Like, they can be in the sun for like half an hour and they're like, I don't know, so dark. I don't even know why I'm so pale. Even my brothers, I have 4 older brothers, for anyone who didn't know that, they tan really quickly as well, and I'm just the outcast or something. I don't know, I'm just really pale and I don't tan. But the good thing about that is, because I'm quite pale, I can get away with wearing a lot of different colors because it matches my skin like 99% of the time. There are just a couple of shades that are not really my thing, but usually I can get away with anything. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to actually edit this video, even though it's like older footage and my nails are a lot longer, except for my thumbnails, of course, because I had to shorten those down like completely like 2 weeks ago or something. But yeah, they are already growing back, and you will see them grow like gradually in each video that I will make and upload, like after I've shortened them down, of course. In my previous video from last Monday, I still had my long thumbnails, and if I look at footage like that, even if I look at footage like from this specific video, I feel like, oh, I wish I didn't have to cut off my thumbnails. But then again, you know, I'd rather just grow them out long and strong again than patch them up and have weaknesses in the nail, because if you break your nail and there's already like a weak spot, the chances of like hurting yourself are pretty high, and I'd rather just cut them off then. But yeah, let me know how long your nails are at the moment. I'm really curious to hear about that as well. I know that there are some girls and guys out there who are actually growing their nails together with me. And I'm also really curious to know if you are actually painting your nails at the moment while watching this video. That is something that I personally really love to do. Just watch nail related videos, whether it's nail art, nail care, whatever. I just love watching those videos while I'm doing my own nails, just listening, watching, all that jazz. It's a little bit of like me time, if you can call it like that. And I just think it's really important to take care of your hands and nails. Just make sure that they always look great. Of course, you don't always have to wear nail polishes, but you guys know me. There are just a few days in a year that I don't wear any nail polishes, and it's usually just a couple of hours in between manicures for me. I really, really love nail polishes and nail art, of course. That is why I actually created my channel, and I really wanted to give like a big thanks and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I actually had a goal last year for my channel. I started out with like 2,500 subscribers, I think, and last year was insane. I gained about almost 17,000 subscribers, and that is so like crazy to me. I never expected people to actually watch my videos, to comment, to actually follow me, and to be so kind as well. Because I think you guys know as well that the internet can be a really rough place with like a lot of mean people. Like personally, I feel like if you're mean to someone, it says more about your upbringing, your personality, than it actually does about the person you're saying it to. And yeah, I just don't tolerate any negativity which isn't like supportive feedback or anything. I just feel like you're not welcome on my channel if you're only going to be like a hater towards my subscribers mostly. I don't really care if I get hateful comments towards me, but just don't like be mean to my subscribers, you know? I just want my channel to be a happy and like peaceful place that you can use to chillax at the end of the day, like do your own nails together with me or anything like that. And yeah, maybe you want to do some nail art as well, and maybe I can teach you some of my tips and tricks if you want to. So yeah, that was just something I wanted to put out there. Usually these videos are a lot shorter, so I actually have a lot of time to talk to you guys, and thank you for the feedback as well. I asked you in my video last Friday if you wanted me to continue talking through my videos, explaining what I do, what products I use and all that jazz. And about every single one of you actually said that you really wanted me to keep on talking through my videos instead of just adding music. I really like doing this as well. It gives a more personal touch, and I really like to get to know you guys more through your comments as well. So I think it's only fair of me to like give my personality to you as well. So yeah, that was actually already the entire video. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, you can just let me know in the comment section down below. I really hope you liked it, and yeah, as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.